Let's go ahead and get started on building our new catalog. We need to import our photos into this catalog. To do so, click the Import button. Select the My Lightroom Photos directory on your desktop as the image source. Once you do that, you'll see your gallery fill in with thumbnail previews of your photos. We'll need to go ahead and configure some of our import settings. First, we'll attach the metadata preset that we created earlier to this import. In your Apply During Import panel, from the metadata menu, select Meta 1. And in case you forgot, the Meta 1 preset, we created some copyright information and also inputted some metadata about the creator. If you haven't done this, just go ahead and fill in some sample information and then click Done. To complete the import, select the Add option from the menu up here. We're selecting Add because these images are already on our hard drive. We don't need to copy them to another location on our drive or move them in any way. The destination is set to My Catalog, which is correct. We just want to import these existing images into our catalog. So again, we're not moving, we're not copying, and we're not going to convert to DNG just yet. We do have one RAW file in our catalog, an NEF file, but we'll work with RAW in a separate section of this course. On the File Handling panel, select one-to-one previews, because we'll be doing a lot of editing and we need good quality previews to make accurate adjustments to our images. Also put a check mark in the Build Smart Previews checkbox. Remember, this allows us to edit these files even if we don't have access to the source images. Uncheck Don't Import Suspected Duplicates. We know we don't have any, so we don't need Lightroom to do that for us. We don't need to adjust any other import settings. We'll add keywords later on. Also, we don't want to apply any adjustment presets over here. We're not going to do that right now because we'll be doing adjustments ourselves later on in the Develop module. So go ahead and click the Import button to finalize the import. You'll see the status of your import up here. It will take a couple of minutes, depending on the speed of your computer. The reason it's taking a bit of time is because we selected Build Smart Previews. If you double click on the status bar, Lightroom will tell you exactly what it's doing. If we didn't build Smart Previews, it would go a lot faster. Now it's building the one-to-one previews. So here I have a message that just says Smart Previews were built for the 94 photos that we imported. So I'll go ahead and click OK. Our import is now complete. If you click on each image, you'll notice it says Original plus Smart Preview. If there was no Smart Preview, it would just say Original, and this checkbox would be unchecked. When I uncheck it right now, it's asking me if I want to discard this photo's Smart Preview. I don't want to discard it, so I'm going to press Cancel.